guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's nail video is a pink set, and I'm working on EVA today, and these are the clear coffin tips you can get from the website. I'm using the Mia Secret Sweet collection. These are the two shades here that I'm using, My Heart and I Am Cute. They're basically two different shades of pink, and they've got shimmer in them. I love them. I'm using the Mia Secret White and the Mia Secret Clear powder, and obviously the Mia Secret monomer. I'm also using this really beautiful pink, like iridescent-y glitter from Beauty Big Bang. There will be a link down below and also a discount code from Beauty Big Bang, so you can get 10% off. I think it's 10% off. So yeah, all the links are down below. The links to my website where you can get the Mia Secret products and also the POOCHIEZ hands if you're in the UK. So yes, go ahead on over there and check it out. So I'm going in here with the dark pink to start with. You can see how shimmery, like there's just so much shimmer and glitteriness in these. I love them so much. I'm going in with the hot pink first here. And then coming in with that lighter pink and just fading it slightly so there is kind of a tiny bit of a glass tip. And this is basically just an ombre from the darker pink to the lighter pink. This is definitely my favourite nail of this set. I loved the way this turned out. It just turned out really well. And this is just a marble nail. So I'm using both pinks and also the Mia Secret White, and I'm just using them really wet and marbling them together. But this is just like, it's one of the best marbles that I've ever done. And it just turned out so nice and it looked so beautiful. I think Belinda, or one of the girls that was watching the live video, said it looked like some strawberries and cream or something like that, or like strawberry ice cream or something. So so beautiful. But yeah, this one turned out really well. So if you are interested, I do have a second channel where I do film these nail videos live, and we get to chat together and you get to see it raw, unedited, before it comes on this channel. If you're interested in that, then do head on over and subscribe to that channel. You can come on and have a chat with me. I take advice from you guys, and I might ask you what colours I should use or what should I do next and things like that. So definitely head on over there. The link to that channel is in the description box down below. So I did just go back in with these two colours again, and I just wanted to just like blend them in a little bit more. So that's basically just what I'm doing here. So this nail is another ombre nail, and it's going to be like a white tip and then the pink at the cuticle and faded down. So I take the white to start with and I try and fade that up. I'm really sorry if my hand does get in the way, but obviously I want to try keep things in so you can see like what I'm doing with my hands, if that makes sense. So you can see where my hands are and how I'm like applying and things like that. So yeah, I'm blending and fading the white up, and then I go in with the darker pink and I take that from the cuticle area and fade it down. And then I did just go in with a little bit of the lighter pink just to blend those shades together. So this nail here is going to be another marble nail. This marble nail did not go as well as the first one, but it didn't really matter because this is like a marble nail for the base, and then I'm going to go over the top of it with the glitter. So it's like a full glitter nail, but with marble underneath. Yes! Glitter time! So on this nail I'm doing a swirly like S shape with the pink glitter. The glitter doesn't show up like crazy well because obviously it's pink on pink, but it just like in certain lights and that it gives it like really nice shine. You can definitely see it. I'm just not sure how well it comes across on camera, but yeah, it looked so pretty. The same thing on this nail, I'm just going in with that swirly S shape across the nail, and that's just basically what I did on these two nails. And then, as I said before, on this nail, it's just like full glitter, but not like really concentrated glitter, so that you can see through the glitter, if that makes sense. So you can see what's underneath. Hopefully that makes sense. And then the other marble nail, I completely just left it as it was because I just loved it so much. I'm now just going to go in and cap all the nails. I've sped this up more so it's a little bit faster for you guys, but so I was also able to keep as much in as possible just to show you guys how I do this process, and maybe some of you pros out there can give me more tips. And then if you are still learning, maybe you can get some like tips from the way I do it. I don't know. We'll see how you guys feel about that. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch me cap the nails. now coming in and just filing, so sidewalls, cuticle area, free edge, just smoothing it all out, contouring the shape of the nail and just making that, yeah, it's all like how I want it so that it's nice and smooth and ready for top coat. I then go in with a buffing block, of course, and give it a really, really good buff over all the nails. I've started like buffing even more just to make sure that they really are as smooth as I can get them. And then I do take some acetone on a lint-free wipe and just smooth over, wipe over all the nails just to get rid of any dust and also just smooth it out just a little wee bit. And then it is time to top coat these nails. I'm using my Colour Couture top coat as usual, and I'm just gonna go over all of these nails and then of course cure and wipe off the sticky layers. So just look how pretty that is. You can really, you can see now how like the glitter like S shape just like comes out. Oh, I just love it. I just love glitter and I love pink, so it's like yes. Now for my favourite nail, this marble nail, I just love it so much. I feel like the colours, the three colours together made a really nice marble, if that makes sense. I just think they worked so well together, I loved it. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me top coat these nails. And this is the finished result. I love this set. They are so pretty. The pink ones are always my favourites because I just love pink. But look at that marble. Look how that marble just, I cannot get over that marble. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are lots of pictures off my Instagram of like the finished result once I've applied cuticle oil and the hands looking all pretty and whatnot. If you do want to buy yourself one of these POOCHIEZ hands, you can get them from my website. The links are in the video and in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know any of your comments down below and any suggestions on videos you want to see coming next. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!